Let's help mommy every day. Work and sing and laugh and play. Pick up toys from here and there. Put them neatly over there. Let's make the bed smooth and tight. Pillow left and blanket right. Fluff it up and then we say, Mommy, look, it's clean today. Let's clean the floor. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Wipe the dust, make it shine so bright. Use the broom and sing along. Cleaning time's a happy song. In the kitchen, wash the plates. Rinse them clean, no dirty stains. Dry them up with towel white. Everything is shining bright.